I'm going to show you how to take out the cup holder to a 2004 Mercedes E320. This cup holder is not working, so I'm looking to just replace it instead of fixing it. So what I'm going to do is, right now I can't open it, but if you have a little screwdriver, like you use for your glasses, you can put the screwdriver right here on this little lever that basically latches this thing. That's the problem with this one. So I gotta make sure I put this down. I'm gonna pull out this whole thing like that. And I just ordered a new part for that. This one works great. And the part number is 6692018 if you want to order it online. So I'm just going to put this back. If you see right here, this will latch down once you put the cup holder in there, so it'll stay in place. Now I had taken out this cup holder before, so that's why it was fairly easy to take out. But if you notice, like, the way that this mechanism works is that you've got this little wheel here, and you've got a wheel back here that probably is stuck, and that's why this cup holder doesn't go up. So I gotta push this thing down, and maybe that's something that you can fix if you don't have a cup holder, if you can't order one. And you can just try and fix that little wheel there, and then make sure this barrel is in place. But this one for me it was not even on there. It was like loose down in the bottom. But I just said I'm not going to deal with it. So I just bought a new one. Does what it needs to do. And I'm just going to put it in there. And this thing's going to hook into this area right here. And that's it. Now I got a new cup holder.